Standing in good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. So imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now inhale as you come up onto the toes and reach the arms up. Exhale, control back down. So inhale, coming up to the toes. Exhale, heels and arms down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now inhale, and we'll stay up. Bring the arms to shoulder level and squeeze the shoulder blades back. And come back to the middle and squeeze the shoulder blades. And coming back. So staying on the toes, squeeze the shoulder blades and come back. Squeeze and back. Now lift the arms up and come back to shoulder level. Squeeze to the center, lift the arms, shoulder level, and squeeze. Shoulder level and reaching up, back to shoulder level, squeeze and back and bring the arms down. Now just rolling the shoulders back. Just within a smooth range. It shouldn't feel too awkward now. Roll the shoulders forwards. Now rolling that left shoulder backwards and the right shoulder forwards. Both together, so left back, right forwards. Don't worry if you don't get this straight away, just have some movement in that shoulder area. So right one backwards, and left forward. And together, so right back, left forward. Shoulders out. Now, placing the hands behind, if you can, holding onto the opposite elbow, or just on the forearm, wherever you get to. The arms, and then we're trying for the reverse prayer. If not, just keep holding on to the forearms or the elbows. What we're after is just a stretch across the front of the shoulders. Remember, don't strain, nothing should hurt. Now swing the arms. Now we're going to come into a balanced pose, a star pose. So having the weight on the left leg, arms up, and lifting that right leg. So keep the body facing forwards. And we're just lifting as far as your hip allows. So we'll come on to the other side. Palms facing forwards. lifting that left leg. Try and straighten the arms, straighten the legs. And again, onto the left side, lifting that right leg. Then go a little bit higher if you can, squeezing that belly button in. Remember to keep breathing. And onto the other side, lifting that left leg. Now coming back to the posture and the breathing, the shoulders back and down, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand, and just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. Bring the arms down and we're all done.